We have a broken hood release cable. I was fortunate enough to buy the truck like this already. So when I bought it, I went to pull the hood and that just came out. So what we're going to do is right here is the mount. We're going to take that out. Those are two 7mm screws. And way back here you're going to see, if I can get you in here. So right here is the cable. So we're going to pull that cable out. Maybe we're just going to cut it. Okay, let's pull it out from the front. Okay, so now we're going to grab our needle and those pliers. There we go. To that cable. Since we cut it, pull it up that way. And we're going to pay attention on the routing of the cable. So it comes in, goes in that hole there, under the grill, up to here. Okay, so let's go ahead and pull this off. And honestly, I don't know what's holding down, so let's figure this out together. So it looks like the cable goes down and it's got like overlapping locks. So we're just going to cut it again. But before I do that, because that's going to be kind of permanent, let's get our new cable out of the bag and kind of ran and make sure it's the right one. Alright. So we're going to push this through the hole. And actually, no, we're not. So there's a rubber bushing in there that we have to take out. Okay, so I'm going to try it with a screwdriver first. Yeah. So that bushing's out. So now we have enough room to push our cable through. Okay. Cable in. So let's go ahead and put this back in. I'm just going to get this started. I'm not going to zip it all the way in. Just a little See that? Okay, now I'm going to zip it all the way in. Now we still have to push this in. I'm going to do that fast. Okay. So we got the old cable. Try to push that out through the... No. You gotta mess with it. Alright. Now there's a light adjuster here or something. It's gonna have to come out. Unless we can come in through here. Yeah. Went in through a little lower. That looks better anyways. Okay, so now we know it reaches. Now we're going to cut this. Pull this out. So like I said, this just pushes down. And that pushes in. And now we have a new pull cable. Cool. Only thing left to do is push the grommet in. And push the grommet in and seal it off. And it's sealed. Okay, that was quick, easy, and painless. We got a lot more content coming on this truck soon. So make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.